So if you want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. If you're seeing this on TikTok, it is located in my IG bio. So right now my DogeCoin position is down $1,260 with 37 cents. And basically right now I owe 30,478 DogeCoin. That's how much I own in DogeCoin. So basically the position is down, right? But what do I think about DogeCoin right now? So basically looking at the DogeCoin chart, right? Let's see, where's DogeCoin? So looking at DogeCoin on the daily chart, it looks like it's having trouble breaking that stubborn 20-day moving average. But the good news is that DogeCoin is above the 9-day moving average. So if Doge decides to bounce off the 9-day moving average tomorrow or whenever, right, we could see a possible retest of DogeCoin trying to break out of that 20-day moving average. So we will see what we'll see what happens, right? What's my realistic goal of DogeCoin reaching by the end of this year? A lot of people are saying that this year is the bull cycle of crypto, right? And do I believe that? Yes and no, but the reason I say yes is because long term crypto investors have signaled that this year basically is the bull run of crypto, right, in a way. So basically everything that's in the crypto space right now is in the potential run that it can run towards the upside for great gains, basically. So and the reason I say no, that that this year could be not a crypto bull run, is because I feel like there's a lot of stuff going on, right? And I don't know if inflation and all this other stuff will impact the economy. Not the economy, but will it impact the bull run? I'm not sure if that will have an effect, because like I said, I wasn't really trading crypto back then that much like I was with trading stocks, right? I was more into stocks. So when I was trading stocks, I really wasn't paying attention too much of what was happening with the crypto space. So but I do remember that at one point Doge was at maybe 73 cents, right? So I guess the last crypto bull run was around 2021, right? I guess, I'm not sure, but basically I do remember that DogeCoin was around like 74 cents at one point. So I don't know, I feel like those could be factors of like the economy, how it's doing, right? It could like alter the outcome of what will happen to the crypto bull run. But then again, I'm not too sure what would happen, right? So it's just basically a waiting game and a patient game of trying to wait and see what will happen in the long run. For me, like I said, I own, I own 30,478 DogeCoins right now, and so we'll see what happens from here. For me personally, I'm holding this for the long term. So let's bring out the calculator. Let's see what would happen if this touched $1. So let's see, 30 47.8.79 52, right? And let's say it reaches $1, right? So basically my Bitcoin position would be worth $30,478. So it's crazy. Yes, that is like crazy money, but nothing compared to what I've been making in the in my in the stock market, right? But basically it's just kind of crazy that I feel like, in a way, here's the way I see it, right? I feel like you can make money trading in the crypto market, like let's say on weekends, right? So let's say you have like a bunch of money, right? Like, I don't know, let's say you have like maybe 25 grand, 50 grand minimum, right? You can make like big trades and live off trading just crypto strictly. You know, me personally, I feel like I see more money trading in the stock market, specifically when I'm trading options. I don't really trade that much, trading stocks. The more so because I feel like stocks takes a little while for let's say that game plan to occur in the long run. Meanwhile, if I trade options in the stock market, I'll see those gains quickly. Bigger gains than if I were to trade stocks, because options are more risky, but more, I guess you could say, rewardable. It's more rewarding, right? I guess, than trading stocks, but it's more riskier trading options than it is trading stocks. Now with crypto, I feel like with crypto, let's say if you stick to trading these stocks right now, right? I mean, not these stocks, but these cryptos, right? Shiba Inu, would I personally get into Shiba Inu? Me personally, I don't know. Yes and no, but really not really. Not this coin. Bitcoin Cash, I would. Basically, right now, it's a pretty good position, right? And let's say that the bull run of crypto does occur by the end of this year. I could see basically Bitcoin Cash go all the way up to 600, even past further than that. Maybe it could reach this past number of 1,000. So let's say we had, I don't know, let's say we had 25 grand right here. So let's divide 25 grand by 332 with how many cents? With 50 cents. Let's say 50 cents, right? Basically, this is how much of Bitcoin Cash we would own, right? Times that by, let's say the bull run occurs this year, right? And it reaches that crazy past number of, I don't know, let's say it reaches 1,000, right? Let's say minimum it reaches 1,000, 1,050, okay? So it reaches 1,050 minus the 25 grand that you invested in. Basically, your profit would be $53,947 with 36 cents. That's how much you would make if you had 25 grand right now and you had invested that into Bitcoin Cash. Me personally, it's like, I feel like you can make a lot of money trading crypto, because in a way, you never know when the crypto market could all of a sudden go up or all of a sudden go down, right? But basically, it's like the stock market. You try to find good deals out there, try to analyze, is that particular cryptocurrency like a profitable, not a profitable project, but I guess you could say, like, is it a long-term project that's going to be existing in the long term, or is it like a short-term project that was just for for, I don't know, I guess for the short term, and then it just disappears? Basically, that's what I like to do, right? But for me personally, the way I see it is that you kind of want to just stick to the market caps of cryptocurrencies. So try to analyze what are the biggest, what are the biggest trending, or I guess you could say, what are the biggest market caps of cryptocurrencies currently, right? And try to stick with those, I guess you could say, top 5 or top 10 cryptocurrencies. Try to analyze where they're at right now. Trying to analyze if there's a good entry point, right? And then once you feel like, okay, I feel like that's a good trade, right? And I feel like the bull run could happen this year, right? Then aim for that exit position. Yeah, I guess aim for that exit that you want to exit out of this, that trade. So for me personally, right, this is a long-term trade that I do plan on selling out as soon as it reaches $1. I will keep updating you guys. It's been a while, so I'm sorry about that actually. So that's pretty much it, really. That's the way I see crypto. I see crypto is profitable. I just feel like you just need a lot more money for you to actually live off of trading crypto specifically. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care, and as always, this is not financial advice. And if you want to sign up with my Webull link located in the description below, Webull will give you 20 free fractional shares once you deposit $100 or more into your account. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care. Bye.